Hey guys, what's up? Dave here from DT Customs. Welcome to the first episode of the series where I take old cymbals, old cracked, discolored, broken cymbals, turn them into new, good sounding cymbals. That's the plan anyway, so we'll see how that goes. I'm really excited to be with you guys and share with you some tips, tricks, processes, and the before and afters of some repairs that I'm doing. So my goal with this channel and this project in general actually is to show that with cymbals there's a common misconception that as soon as a crack appears, as soon as a cymbal is broken in a sense, it's done, it's dead, and it's time to get a new cymbal. Now that costs a lot of money, and I don't like spending money. Not many people do. So what I'm trying to show is that you don't actually have to. You can just do a quick repair, and it'll sound different, but it'll sound good. And honestly, no one will actually notice. If it sounds any different, it'll just be you. So I'm going to show how you can just make something that's basically worthless sound good again, and you can use it for another year, another few gigs, I don't know. If you get more use out of it, then that's good, regardless of how long that is. So really excited to share that with you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So for this first episode, this is a cymbal I'll be working on today. It is a Sabian AA, Holy China. I love these things. They give a really good trashy China sound. Not as overtony or as dark as like a traditional China. So I'm really excited to work on this. It's a really light cymbal. It's very thin, so it'll be easy to work with, ideally. And so this one in particular, it has two cracks that exist in it. It's got this big crack here. As you can see, I can literally force that out. It's about 3.5 by 1.5 inches. And it's got this crack here, which is about 2 inches long. It's just a hairline crack along the lathe. And that's it. That's the damage on this cymbal. There's no edge nicks, there's no keyholing. So it's a really good cymbal to try and repair. So what I plan to do is do three equal cutouts on this cymbal to make the repair symmetrical. What's really worked in my favour on this one is that the existing cracks are about equal from the logo. So it's worked out really well actually. I can do 3 equal holes around the perimeter of this cymbal and make it actually look symmetrical and like it's kind of meant to be there, because that's the goal. You don't want it to look bad, you don't want it to sound bad. Really excited to work with this one, and hopefully it'll work out. My plan is to use a Dremel on this one. So there's a bunch of different ways you can cut cymbals out. You can use angle grinders, use Dremels, you can hacksaw it if you really want to, thin snips. But on this one in particular, because it's such a thin cymbal, and because I don't really want to mess this one up in a sense, I'm going to use the Dremel on this one. It's going to take a bit longer because the Dremel typically does with cutting, but it'll give a more accurate result, I believe, and it'll also be less noisy. Won't annoy the neighbours as much, which will be nice. So I'll take you guys through the process as I go, and by no means am I an expert in this. I'm really just doing a project here, so don't take what I say as gospel, but hopefully it'll help you guys have some hope in your old stuff and give you an idea of how to repair it and give it new life again. hope you guys enjoy and enjoy the show.
So this is the Dremel I'm using. This is a Zito Dremel. Well, it's an Zito rotary tool. It's basically a Dremel but a cheaper version. And this is a sort of cutting disc I'll be using, as you can see if it'll focus. So it's like a crisscross cutting disc. I've got a bunch of varying thicknesses, and I'll probably revert to a thinner one to use for this application, because this one's quite thick and it'll probably take a while. But yeah, it's a great tool, so I definitely advise getting one if you want to do this.
Alright, so changing to my headset microphone, just taking you through what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing here is just measuring out the locations of the holes, making sure they're equal distances around the cymbal. Using a string is probably one of the best methods to do that. And finding a point on the cymbal like the logo, which can be used as a point of reference for measuring out the different holes and where they're located, that kind of thing. I was also checking how long the holes were so that I could confirm that they're all the same size. You can do this with a ruler, but I just didn't have one handy, so strings another easy way to quickly check your measurements. Yeah, as I said before, the goal is to make all the holes sort of equal distances so the cymbal looks symmetrical. It all looks even and it looks like it's supposed to be that way. That's really the goal. If it doesn't look like it's supposed to be that way, it'll just look like a repaired cymbal, and that's not the goal. So here I'm just taking you quickly through the setup I've got. So that's where I've filmed from. It's a pretty ghetto setup, but that's kind of what I've got to work with currently. So I've made up that little bench with a couple of holders to put the cymbal on and tighten it down. And here I've started dremeling. So I've put the towel on the cymbal just to cut any sort of noise, or try to cut as much noise as possible. And as my neighbours are pretty close, I don't want to sort of annoy them by the loud noises, so I'm trying to cut as much noise as possible by being around the side of the house, having brick walls between me and the neighbours, and also putting towel dampeners on the cymbal to stop the noise as much as possible. So you can see here I'm sort of outlining the cut with the Dremel, trying not to go too hard or too heavy, because we don't want to transfer too much heat around the cut location. A lot of people just dig in with an angle grinder or something like that. It's a really quick cut, but the problem is that with that much heat transfer, it messes up with the molecules in the cymbal, and it makes the cymbal quite brittle around those areas. So as soon as you hit it, or you hit it a few times, it'll just start cracking again. So you want to be really careful when doing cutouts, doing any sort of drilling or anything, that everything's done slowly and everything is done minimizing heat. So yeah, the hardest part with doing these cutouts is getting the edges, the rounded corners, because with the Dremel you've only really got the round discs, and so basically you just have to try your best to get the rounded corners done. And I've figured out since then that a better way is to just drill holes around the area. So just mark out your area by drilling holes, and then you can just Dremel between the holes. It makes the cutout a lot easier and a lot more accurate. Because another issue with using a Dremel is that sometimes it catches and it'll flick, like the Dremel will flick into a part of the cymbal that you don't actually want to cut. So marking pilot holes with the drill actually prevents that from happening, because you can just cut between the holes, and the holes are like your outer markers. So you can see here I've got one section out. Be careful with these sections as they're quite hot when they come out, so make sure you're not around any any flammable materials or things which could get burnt. So here I'm just quickly sanding off the area, just doing a quick job of sanding so there's no little spikes sticking out that'll get your fingers or anything like that. The best way to do this is using the sanding tool on the Dremel, because you can actually get in there in those rounded corners and stuff, and it does a really good job at removing any rough patches. But here I was just trying to minimize noise as much as possible and just do a quick sanding job. So that's what I was doing. And I was using 60 grit sandpaper on this one, just as the initial sanding, but you work your way up from 60 to 80 to 120, as many grits of sandpaper as you can, to try to get that smoothest finish as possible. But obviously you don't want to start with the smoothest or the finest grit sandpaper, because it'll take far too long to get the rough edges off. Yeah, and yeah, it makes quite a nice carrying handle, these holes, so something I didn't intend, but it turns out it's great for carrying your cymbal, so you know, bonus. So here I've actually skipped the part where I've cut out the second hole. It's basically the same. Didn't want to take you through too much of annoying repetitive stuff. But here I'm just showing, I've actually I found a third crack in the cymbal as I was going, which I just didn't spot before. So what I'm showing you here is how I'm managing that. I didn't want to cut out too much of the cymbal. So what I'm doing is drilling 2 holes at either side of the crack, or either end of the crack, with a step drill. Step drills are great for drilling holes because you can vary the size of the hole as much as you want to just by keeping on drilling, and it also rounds off the edges of the holes as you drill. So definitely recommend getting one of those, or a set of those if you can. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm using the sanding tool on the Dremel, and going around the edges of the holes I've cut out with that sanding tool. Now this tool is really great. It actually does an awesome job at finely rounding off the edges and removing any inconsistencies with your cut job. It does an awesome job, so I recommend getting as many of these little sanding paper replacements as you can, because they do wear out quite quickly, but they do an awesome job. So just finishing up that cut there, sanding it off, and I did intend to cut the 3 holes, but I only ended up cutting 2. The reason for that is that when I was testing the sound of the cymbal, I felt like it had already had enough removed from the cymbal to give it that really trashy sound. I didn't want to remove too much, especially when there was actually nothing wrong with that third section. It was purely for aesthetic reasons. And I felt like, it's not worth removing it if it's just going to potentially make it sound worse. So I left it at the 2 holes and the small, edge repair job for the other holes, for the other cracks. So you can see, just testing it out there, finding out that it's already got a really trashy sound. This is the before of the repair job. This is how it sounded before. You can hear the little rattle. And then this is the after. So the rattle's basically gone. The only rattle remaining is from that small crack which I did the ends of. So I'll still probably cut that out with a Dremel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and look forward to more videos in the future.